The Bank of Canada cut the key interest rate by half a percentage point on Wednesday, the fourth straight cut since June and the largest since 2009 outside the pandemic. It comes after Canada's inflation rate fell to 1.6% in September.
We took a bigger step today because inflation is now back to the 2% target, and we want to keep it close to the target.
The cut, which analysts expected, brings the key interest rate to 3.75% and immediately alleviates financial pressure for homeowners in a variable rate mortgage.
It's a reduction of about $30 per month per $100,000 of mortgage currently borrowed for people in variable rate mortgages. So if you've got a $500,000 mortgage, you're going to see about $150 a month less. If you've got a $1 million mortgage, which lots of people do, you're going to see about $300 a month less.
High interest rates have cooled the housing market, and there hasn't been much of an uptick in BC despite recent cuts. One real estate expert says he doesn't think this latest cut will have a major impact.
Even the lowest variable rate in Canada right now still requires a stress test. And that stress test rate is going to be about 6.8% in the best case scenario. And that's going to be tough for a lot of Canadians to get over. Also, after 2 years of inflation, a lot of people are sitting on far reduced savings, so their down payments might not be where they need to be. And if they've taken on a lot of extra debt, then their debt service ratios might not be what lenders are really looking for.
He says new mortgage rules that come into effect in December, which will see people get into more expensive homes with smaller down payments, are more likely to wake up the housing market. The Bank of Canada says it's watching closely for a possible pickup in housing.
Now our focus is to maintain low, stable inflation. We need to stick the landing.
The next interest rate decision from the bank is expected in December. It has hinted that if the current trend continues, it will likely be issuing another cut. In Vancouver, Monika Gul, City News.